You'll be amazed when you see what's inside this giant egg. At first glance, it may look like a wild bird's egg or even an ostrich's egg, but this egg was made by an ordinary domestic hen, a real mutant among ordinary eggs. So the man opens the egg to see what's inside. Inside there are 2 yolks and another egg. Is there really a chicken inside this egg? It's just another ordinary egg. The magic of nature.